shit, blood. I'm not lying, blood. Them niggas was always a little zesty, blood, like Javon, like, blood, the fuck your nigga named Javon? Like, blood, that was always zesty, blood. Javon Haynes. Like, man, that was always zesty to me, bro. Like, that fucking nigga named Javon, but why your mama name you Javon? You definitely ain't grew up with no daddy, but that's why your family never around, but you never, like, blood, you ain't never got no family there, blood. Only a fucking puppy, blood. Like, get your weird ass off my dick, blood. That shit is like zesty, blood, zesty. I like pussy, titties, blood, booty, girl booty, blood. Pause, like, blood, girl booty, like, blood. Fuck out of here, like, blood, why are you so on my dick? That shit is like zesty and creepy, blood, like, blood, serious shit. I need a restraining order on your fat ass, blood. Retreat, blood. Javon. Niggas be like trying to play with niggas that play these games. Like, you can't play with niggas that play them games. Stop it, Javon. God damn, bro. You look like a platypus. You look like a boy that used to be a girl, though. You know what I'm saying, blood? You look like a boy, but you was born a girl, but now you call yourself Jason, blood. Like, blood, you call yourself Jason. Like, blood, but your mama really named you Joshia, but you go, I'm Jason. Like a boy looking ass nigga, like, blood, fuck out of here, blood. Young and May looking ass nigga, like, blood, look at your zesty ass, blood. You better not ever go to prison, boy. I'm not lying, blood. You better not ever go to prison. Nigga gonna fold and lick you like an envelope, blood. Pause, blood. I'm not lying, blood. Like, blood, them niggas gonna have their way with you in there, blood. And it was always yes. It was always yes, blood. Retreat, blood. Shut your dumb ass shit, blood. But not ever go to prison, boy. And it was always yes. You gay, boy. You gay. You on my page. I'm talking about you watching.
Hey, what's up, Eric? Hey, what's up, Eric? Eric Lamb, bitch ass nigga. I'm finna get on your ass.
Fucking word. And it was always yes. It was always yes. Damn, this nigga made another page. Like, god damn. How many pages do you make, bro? You make any page like bro, you're fucking obsessed, bro. I know that's your fat ass, cause you always use something similar shit, bro. Fucking obsessed, bro. What are you on your way to come get me? You on your way to come get me? Like, you're in the car now. I'm on my way to come get you. Like, bro. Skoe, come to Turkey. But what am I gonna come to Turkey and do? What am I gonna come to Turkey and do? Skoe, come to Turkey. Come to, hey, I'm in Turkey. Does anybody know the guy on my Instagram with the blank face? Like, does anybody know? What does he look like? I don't know. It's just a blank face on my Instagram. Does anybody know him? I came to Turkey to see the guy with the blank face on my Instagram. Fucking reach. Come to Turkey. Okay, what the fuck am I doing in Turkey? I mean, I'm gonna get some pussy for sure. You know I'm gonna get some pussy. I mean, since I'm in Turkey, I might as well get some Turkish tobacco. Like, yeah, smoke a little Turkish tobacco. You know what I'm saying? But what am I gonna do there? Like, who am I gonna come in to see? Like, who am I gonna link with? Who am I tapping in with? The nigga with no face on my Instagram. Does anybody know the guy with the blank face on my Instagram? Does anybody know him? What does he look like? I don't know. The face, and it was blank, and it was a blank face, and he just looks blank. But he was on my Instagram. Dumbass, bro. Shut the fuck up. Let me see. God damn, bro. You still make it like, bro, this nigga makes so many different pages, bro. Look, the real roller. Like, bro, come on, bro. All right, bro. All right. Come ride my dick some more. All right. Pause. here because I started saying, we got. Road closure, load, and give. Yes, sir. What's going on with you, man? You caught me slipping.
Nigga police, my nigga. Nah, my
Is this
nigga
with the police?
police, my nigga. Nah, you the police. Yeah, caught you. No, that retreat, bro. Nigga the police. Nah, bro. Nigga thought he was slick, bro. You out there like, so that's what them nigga. I be wondering why them trucks be out there. They don't be working on shit, but they all got the streets blocked off and shit. Blood, don't be up, blood. Them niggas working, blood, working with the people, blood. We heard you like, oh, hey, what up? I'm at work. Yeah, we know you at work, my nigga. We heard you, like, blood. We heard you, my nigga. You at work, like, my nigga. We know. Yeah. Word up. We at work. I'm at work. I know you at work, my nigga. We heard you working, my nigga. Yes, sir. No, nigga.
The fucking police, man. That's the police. That's the police.
Fuck you yelling for it, bro. Shut your dumb ass up, bro. I hate when black niggas always feel like they gotta be loud, bro. Black niggas always want to be loud. Like, bro, just because you black, you don't gotta be loud, bro. I fucking hate that, bro. I'm like, fuck. Nigga be loud as fuck. I'm black, I'm loud. I'm black and I'm loud. Like, say it proud. I'm black and I'm loud. Dumbass. Blood, this nigga requested me from like 5 different pages, bro. That's weird. Like, bro, how are you doing that simultaneously, bro? That's weird. Like, bro, that's a bit obsessive, bro. Like, bro, that shit is like creepy, bro. This nigga like on 5 different pages requesting me from this page, from this page, any page I got action. Like, bro, that shit is weird, bro. What you got 2 phones? That nigga got 2 phones and 4 pages. Like, bro, that shit weird, bro. Kind of obsessive, bit creepy, bro. Seriously. Where you going? Where you going? Skoe, do you have locks or braids? I can't tell. Like, bro, you still sweating in that fucking suit, bro. Like, bro, why you still got that suit on, bro? I know it's hot as fucking that suit, bro, with the bow tie, bro. Would you selling bean pods or something, bro? Like, bro, if you selling bean pods, just say that, bro. Like, bro, you ain't gotta keep wearing a suit, bro. We still don't trust you, my nigga. Like, seriously, I never trust a nigga in a suit, bro. Especially like, bro. Like, blood, you never trust a nigga in a suit, bro. Serious shit, bro. Like, blood, I already you wear a sweatshirt, bro, and try to talk some business to me, blood, and come to me in a suit, but never trust a nigga in a suit, blood. Retreat, blood. I'm hungry. You hungry? You want to eat? What you want to eat? Chicken. Chicken? You always want to eat chicken. You want to eat chicken? You always want chicken. I don't want no chicken. I'm tired of chicken. What else you want to eat? I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna whip us something up. You gonna like it. All right. Let's see. This nigga weird, bro.
Come here, Jasmine. Yeah. Shut the fuck up on fucking. Shut the fuck up on fucking nigga.
Oh damn, nigga be weird as fuck. This shit is like, bro, that lets you like, bro, I'm afraid for my daughters to start dating, bro. Like I don't want, like, bro, like as a father with daughter, like it's like fearful that it's weird niggas like this, and like, bro, you niggas is really weird, bro. That shit is like,